She whispers through the trees a gentle sigh. Her rivers dance and weave beneath the sky. In each petal's grace her story told, fragile as the dawn, yet fierce and bold. Oh, Mother Nature, so kind and true, forgiving every wound as morning dew.
Her voice that speaks deep, that was mountains high, with face that drops like rain from the sky. In every heartbeat is a song pulse, nature's rhythm where lost song goes.
Oh, Mother Nature, healing soul, in every zone you reclaim control. Fragile yet fierce you carry low. With every beat we rise and fall. From Morris to the skies, healing soul. Energy surging this rhythmic soul. We shall be crushed in the trigger the light.
Trigger the light where the heartbeats drive. Her voice that speaks deep, that was mountains high, with face that drops like rain from the sky. In every heartbeat is a song pulse, nature's rhythm where lost song goes.
Oh, Mother Nature, healing soul, in every storm you reclaim control. Fragile yet fierce you carry it all. With every beat we rise and fall. From one root to the sky, healing soul. Energy surging this rhythm of soul. We shall be crushed in the trigger the light.